super beautiful and quiet out here right now. Thursday evening, last day of August. Dr. Mary here, feeling really good, really peaceful, and wanting to share some more encouragement about intuition and how it is a guiding factor in our lives. And it isn't the only one, but if we can use it with our rational mind and with the observation of our minds, like what are we thinking, and actually look at that, something different can start to happen. So I was talking to someone earlier who had just a perfect idea, and I said, well, this is your guides at work. And she said, oh, I've had that idea over and over again for the longest time. And this is how intuition works. Something is there for you to do, and here comes a message to do that. And until you do it, it will happen over and over again, unless the time passes or whatever, things change, and that is no longer the direction. But if you have repetitive thoughts and you just tend to discount the idea, thoughts about an idea, and you tend to discount that because it doesn't make sense, isn't convenient, or makes a change of mind needed, which can be very, very hard to do, especially like if something we don't like is going on, and yet we blame somebody else for it, or we think we have to change somebody else, or a circumstance. We have to change that in order to get what we need or want. And this is counterintuitive, because you actually can never do that. And no one is to blame for our lives, including ourselves. We can take responsibility, which is a super good idea, and it's connected to that thing I was talking about with being thankful for something you don't actually like. So those are some words of encouragement today out here on the pier, on the water, where I've been watching the killdeer flying by, and also the egrets. The white egrets have been here day and night, just a few of them. Beautiful. So thanks for sharing this peace and quietness here on the river with me right now, and maybe thinking about what you're thinking and taking responsibility for what you're thinking. And if you like it, keep thinking that way. But if you don't, or if it makes you uncomfortable, you could choose to think differently. Like, what would make you more comfortable? What would feel better? And along with what would make sense, and put that out there to your higher intelligence, that observer part of you, the part of you more connected to your soul or to your spirit guides. Go to theinnernowing.com and have a spirit guide reading and meet your spirit guides. Why not meet your best friends, even if they are right here, but in the invisible realms. Okay, till next time. Be encouraged. Be yourself.